Welcome back to the channel. Today you join me with a rather special Ferrari 328. This car has been to Mototechnique to receive their full Restomod program. This car's got a 3.8 litre engine with a 400 horsepower output running on throttle bodies with a modern ECU. And then to go with that, this car has received a full bespoke interior that we've designed alongside the customer and his requirements and how he plans to use the car. If we jump inside, we'll talk through what we've been up to and show you around the cabin. So, where do we start? Maybe with the brief. When we started this car, I had a long conversation with the owner. What did he want to see in the car? Various different options that we went through, and we basically started with, well, what interiors do you like and what would you like to see in this car? We went through a number of different things, and after a lot of conversation we ended up on a brief that we ended up calling F40 Touring. He loved the sort of race feel of an F40 with the lightweight fabrics, but thought with the carbon exposed shell it was maybe a bit too racy for a predominantly road car. He then also mentioned how much he likes the Porsche GT3 cars, the Tourings, where it's still got that kind of racy feel to it, but with some modern creature comforts. So that's how we ended up with our F40 Touring spec. That involved us getting rid of the standard reclining comfort seats and installing a pair of these Recaro bucket seats that have then been reupholstered with the black Connolly leather and this really cool tartan fabric that the owner selected. Because this car has the bucket seats, we've also installed harnesses, including some nice custom harness pads that just tie into the seat centers of this car. If we move into the dashboard area, we wanted that slightly more racy feel. So rather than going with a leather, we've gone with Alcantara with this lovely red twin stitch. That follows into the armrest of the door handles. And then on the doors, we redesigned them with these tartan inserts up here and good use of the leather. This car's also got quite an upgraded sound system, so that if you are doing long road trips, you've got really good modern sounds. To get the large speakers to work properly, we've actually bought this door panel out at the bottom, around 20 to 25 millimeters, so that we've got a really nice secure mounting point for these speakers. The sound system in this car is absolutely incredible. It really is clear, loud. We've also got the tweeters up here in the dashboard. The steering wheel, the owner's quite tall, and the steering wheel just needed to be that little bit closer. So we opted for this Momo steering wheel with a deeper dish that then got retrimmed in the Alcantara, and then a bit of fun with the 12 o'clock marker, we just incorporated a bit more of the tartan. Coming down into the centre console, we had to slightly narrow this just to get the seats to fit in the car nicely. That's then been trimmed in the black Connolly leather with the red twin stitch. And then the rest of the upper environment is all in the black Alcantara, and then finished off beautifully at the bottom with some of our Italian Wilton carpets. Really hope you've enjoyed this video. It's been a really fun project for us to kind of design and create this custom interior for the owner. We're pleased to say that he's absolutely ecstatic with it and is really looking forward to driving this car. If you've got any questions or comments, drop them below, and we look forward to seeing you in another video soon.